Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dinner recipes is probably one of the most essential resources for anyone looking to streamline their evening meal preparation. This cookbook promises to transform your approach to cooking, offering a collection of simple, yet flavorful recipes designed to save you time and effort without sacrificing taste. Get ready to discover how easy it can be to create delicious dinners, even on the busiest of weeknights. Number 5. Blue Zone's Kitchen, 100 Recipes to Live to 100. Are you curious about living a longer, healthier life? This book reveals the culinary secrets of the world's longest-lived people. It offers delicious recipes and insights into their healthy habits. This cookbook is inspired by the Blue Zones, regions where people live exceptionally long lives. It brings the flavors and principles of these communities to your kitchen. You can learn how they eat and live. Inside, you'll find 100 recipes designed to nourish your body and promote longevity. Each recipe is packed with wholesome ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions. It is a great choice for you. This book isn't just about recipes, it's about a lifestyle. It encourages you to embrace the Blue Zone's approach to food and well-being. It is a fantastic choice for you. Ready to transform your health and longevity? This book is your guide to a vibrant and fulfilling life. It is a great choice for you and your family. What we like. This cookbook focuses on recipes from the world's Blue Zones, where people live the longest. It offers a unique culinary journey. If you are looking for a cookbook that promotes healthy eating habits and cultural exploration, you should consider this one. What people say. The recipes hail from the fabled Blue Zones, places like Sardinia, Okinawa, and Nicoya, where people somehow outsmart death while making meals that are surprisingly low on kale but high on flavor. It's filled with vibrant, plant-based dishes that make you realize beans are not just a side dish, they're the main event. The recipes aren't preachy. You're not required to meditate while stirring the soup or perform yoga poses between courses. It's all about creating wholesome, satisfying food that nourishes without making you feel like you've been banished to a life of quinoa and sadness. Number 4. Delish Chicken Dinners Cookbook, 90 Plus Easy Recipes. Are you tired of the same old dinner routine? This cookbook is your answer. It offers over 90 amazing chicken recipes, perfect for any occasion. Need a meal in a hurry? This cookbook helps you plan quick and easy meals. It's designed to make your cooking experience simple and enjoyable. From comforting casseroles to hearty stews, this cookbook has it all. It includes a wide variety of recipes to satisfy any craving. This cookbook is designed for ease of use. The spiral-bound design allows it to lay flat, making it simple to follow the recipes while you cook. Craving your favorite takeout? This cookbook includes recipes for chicken lo mein, mandarin chicken, and more. You can now enjoy your favorites at home. Discover a world of chicken recipes in one place. From comfort foods to guilt-free options, it has something for everyone. It's perfect for game day or any day. What we like. This cookbook is all about chicken, with a variety of recipes. The spiral-bound design makes it easy to use while cooking. If you like chicken and want to recreate your favorite takeout dishes at home, you should consider this one. What people say. I've now made 3 of the dishes in the book, and they have so far all been hits. Most cooks will have the ingredients for these recipes on hand or they'll be readily available at the local grocery store. I like the spiral binding, easy to keep open. Number 3. Everyday Dinners Cookbook. Are you struggling to find dinner ideas every night? This cookbook is the solution. It offers real-life recipes to help you plan your family's meals for the entire week. Inside, you'll find practical recipes designed for everyday cooking. They are easy to follow and use ingredients you likely already have on hand. This cookbook helps you create a successful week of dinners. It provides the tools you need to plan, shop, and cook delicious meals that your family will love. With this cookbook, meal planning becomes simple. It takes the stress out of deciding what to make for dinner, making your evenings more relaxed. Get ready to transform your family dinners. This cookbook is your guide to creating delicious, stress-free meals every single day. What we like. This cookbook offers recipes designed for everyday family meals. It helps you plan your meals for the week. If you have a busy family and need help with meal planning, you should consider this one. What people say. The meal prep ideas and quick, simple and delicious recipes are easy to follow and crowd pleasers every time. Beautiful book with pictures and practical recipes. She gives tips on every recipe as to what can be made ahead to make the after-work mealtime a little smoother. Number 2. Pioneer Woman Cooks, super easy. Shortcut recipes. Are you looking for delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen? This book is your answer. It offers 120 shortcut recipes for quick and easy cooking. Inside, you'll find a variety of recipes. From dinners to desserts, this cookbook has something for everyone. It simplifies cooking without sacrificing flavor. This cookbook makes cooking simple. It provides easy-to-follow instructions. You'll be able to create amazing dishes in no time. The recipes are designed to save you time and effort. It's perfect for busy weeknights. You can enjoy home-cooked meals without the stress. Ree Drummond, the pioneer woman, shares her favorite shortcuts. She provides tips and tricks to make cooking fun and accessible. It's a must-have for any home cook. What we like. This cookbook provides shortcut recipes for quick and easy meals. It includes a wide variety of dishes. If you are short on time but still want delicious meals, you should consider this one. What people say. The layout is thoughtfully designed, with easy-to-read fonts, well-organized sections, and stunning photography that brings each dish to life. Each one is carefully crafted, providing clear, step-by-step instructions that make cooking enjoyable for both beginners and experienced chefs. Great simple recipes with brilliant step-by-step pictures as always. Number 1. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook, Easy and Wholesome Meals. Are you looking for a way to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen? This cookbook is the answer. It provides simple, delicious recipes perfect for meal prepping. Inside, you'll find a variety of recipes designed to be both easy to make and good for you. This book focuses on wholesome ingredients and balanced meals. The best part? You can cook these meals, prep them in advance, and then grab them when you're on the go. It's designed to fit your busy lifestyle. Meal prepping has never been easier. The book offers clear instructions and helpful tips to make your meal prep a breeze. It will save you time and effort. Ready to transform your eating habits? This cookbook is your guide to a healthier, happier you. It's time to embrace the convenience of meal prepping. What we like. This cookbook focuses on healthy meal prep for easy grab-and-go meals. It emphasizes wholesome ingredients. If you want to eat healthy and save time during the week, you should consider this one. What people say. The healthy meal prep tips and principles are smart and practical. Recipes are labeled to indicate dietary restrictions and preferences that apply, i.e., dairy-free, gluten-free, vegetarian, paleo, vegan. The nutrition information, number of servings, and serving size are listed for each recipe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.